Buying a brand new Porsche is incredible. You pick the color, the wheels, the leather, and become the first person to drive that car home. But brand new is not always the smartest way to buy. A carefully chosen used Porsche can hand you a naturally aspirated flat six the factory no longer sells, plus thousands still sitting in your bank account. One warning first, this only works with service history and a real inspection. 17 used Porsches, counted down, that beat new. Number 17. The Porsche 944 Turbo. We start with the one that is not for everyone, and that is exactly the point. The 944 Turbo is a classic, front-engined, water-cooled Porsche built between 1982 and 1991, alongside the 928 and the 968. Pop-up headlights, analog controls, and a driving experience that feels mechanical and alive in a way no new car can replicate, at values still far more accessible than an air-cooled 911. But this is the enthusiast Porsche, and it demands specialist knowledge. Timing belt history, water pump, seals, suspension, cooling system, turbo health, and rust all matter, and a restoration project is almost never cheaper than a clean, documented car. Buy the best example your budget allows, because a bargain 944 Turbo with a neglected history is where enthusiasts lose real money fast. Diesel power earns its spot on this list. Number 16. The Porsche Cayenne Diesel. This one is not a track car, and it never pretended to be. But for the right buyer, covering huge motorway miles and needing towing ability, the diesel Cayenne is a genuinely sensible alternative to a brand new luxury SUV. Long distance range, strong torque, a comfortable ride, and a lower purchase price than the performance variants. But location matters here. Emissions regulations, diesel taxes, city driving restrictions, and resale demand all vary by country. And specialist knowledge for a modern diesel system is not universal. Buy a Cayenne diesel only if it genuinely suits your local regulations, your annual mileage, and your access to a specialist. Get that match right, and it is one of the most underrated Porsches you can own. One badge hides a serious bargain. Number 15. The Porsche Panamera GTS. Many buyers see the Panamera as the other Porsche, the one that is not a sports car, and that perception is exactly why it belongs on this list. For the price of a new premium sedan, you can find a used Panamera GTS with genuine performance, real Porsche handling, and enough room for actual adults in the back seat. It works for long-distance drivers, families, and anyone who wants one car that handles the daily commute and a weekend back road with equal confidence. The steep depreciation has already happened on someone else's watch, and it offers a rare combination of performance and practicality most sedans in its price bracket cannot touch. Inspect the air suspension, electronics, cooling systems, brakes, and sunroof drains carefully, because a Panamera bought on price alone can turn expensive fast. An SUV that still feels like a Porsche. Number 14. The Porsche Cayenne GTS, second generation, produced from 2010 to 2017, with over 535,000 examples delivered from Leipzig. The second generation Cayenne is one of the most interesting used Porsche SUV platforms on the market. A used Cayenne GTS makes sense for a buyer who wants performance, space, and genuine road trip comfort, wearing the Porsche badge without paying new Cayenne money. The GTS carries a sportier chassis setup and more emotional driving character than a standard luxury SUV. You get a much lower initial purchase price, plentiful supply on the used market, and real Porsche character wrapped around genuine family practicality. The danger is buying purely on price, so inspect the air suspension, cooling components, transfer case, brakes, sunroof drains, service history, and any sign of towing or off-road abuse before you commit. Practicality wears the Porsche badge quietly. Number 13. The Porsche Macan S, less obvious than the GTS, and possibly the smarter used purchase because of it. The Macan S can deliver most of the real-world enjoyment of the GTS while costing meaningfully less to buy. It suits families who need practicality, buyers coming out of BMW M Performance or Audi S models, and anyone who wants a genuine Porsche as a daily driver. Call this the quiet value pick of the whole list. A properly maintained Macan S with good tyres, fresh brakes and healthy suspension is worth considerably more than a neglected higher trim car wearing a loud aftermarket exhaust and a questionable tune. Documented history beats badge prestige every time on this platform. A single car built to do everything. Number 12. The Porsche Macan GTS. The Macan GTS earns its place as one of the best used Porsche choices for someone who needs a single car to do nearly everything. Rear doors, usable cargo space, real all-weather ability, and enough genuine performance to feel like a Porsche rather than merely fast for an SUV. A used Macan GTS can outsmart a brand new base luxury SUV purchase because it typically arrives with stronger factory options, sharper exhaust character, and a meaningfully more desirable specification for less money. Look for Sport Chrono, PASM or air suspension, sport exhaust, adaptive cruise control, heated and ventilated seats, and a 360-degree camera, all backed by clean service records. SUVs carry more weight and more complex electronics than a sports car, so inspect tyres, brakes, suspension and cooling systems carefully before signing anything. Let me say one thing and then I will not bring it up again. I have gathered these secrets and much more in a book over at theporschegeek.com. If you want it, it is in the comments and on the right side of the screen. That is all. Let us go further with the video. Number 11. The Porsche 991.2 Carrera GTS. This is the car for the buyer who wants turbocharged torque without jumping all the way to a full turbo model. The 991.2 generation moved the standard Carrera range to a turbocharged 3.0-litre flat six, and the GTS version pushed that engine to 450 horsepower, blending everyday usability with a more aggressive visual package and genuinely stronger performance. This is an excellent used buy for someone chasing serious real-world acceleration, PDK performance, and a Porsche that handles a road trip as comfortably as a canyon road, all at a lower entry cost than buying a new GTS. But do not buy a GTS because it is the cheapest way to own the badge. Buy one because you can genuinely afford its tyres, its brakes, its insurance, and its servicing. The bridge between old and new 911. Number 10. The Porsche 991.1 Carrera S. If you want one used 911 that does almost everything well, the 991.1 Carrera S belongs on your shortlist. Fast, comfortable, visually modern, and still naturally aspirated, it can feel like a luxury grand tourer during the week and a serious sports car the moment the road opens up. The 3.8-litre engine produced 400 horsepower, with Porsche quoting a 0 to 60 time as low as 3.9 seconds on a PDK Sport Chrono car. A brand new 911 will generally be quicker and more advanced in every measurable way. But the used 991.1 Carrera S gives you a naturally aspirated 6, a more traditional soundtrack, strong performance already built in, and a dramatically lower entry point. It is the bridge generation, refined enough to drive daily, still connected enough to remind you why you wanted a 911 in the first place. Naturally aspirated power in a modern shell. Number 9. The Porsche 991.1 Carrera. This is the answer for a buyer who wants a more modern 911 without giving up the naturally aspirated flat 6. Porsche's 7th generation 911, the 991, ran from 2011 to 2019, riding on a wheelbase longer than the outgoing 997 with a wider track. The early Carrera launched with a 3.4-litre naturally aspirated Boxster engine, making 350 horsepower, while the Carrera S stepped up to a 3.8-litre unit at 400 horsepower. What makes it worth choosing over new is straightforward. Naturally aspirated engine character, more interior space than a 997 classic 911 proportions, strong manual or PDK availability, and simply better value than a new 911 loaded with options. The 991.1 sits at the exact midpoint between old-school Porsche and the modern car. Bigger brakes bring a sharper personality. Number 8. The Porsche 997.2 Carrera S. The Carrera S adds more power, more torque, larger brakes, and a noticeably more focused feel than the standard Carrera, making it the answer for the buyer who says they do not need a GT3 but still want their 911 to feel genuinely fast. It sits perfectly between two extremes, more exciting than a base Carrera without the financial intensity of a turbo or a GT3. The 997 Carrera ran a 3.6-litre flat six at 325 horsepower, while the Carrera S carried a 3.8-litre engine at 355 horsepower, and a clean manual example is one of the best entry points into classic modern 911 ownership available anywhere. Look hard for full maintenance records, bore scope results, healthy suspension, clean clutch condition on manual cars, and zero evidence of major accident repair before you commit real money. Round headlights, compact cabin, timeless feel. Number 7. The Porsche 997.2 Carrera. For many enthusiasts, the 997.2 Carrera is the true 911 sweet spot. Small enough to feel like a traditional 911, classic round headlights, a genuinely compact cabin, and available with either a manual gearbox or PDK, with the facelifted generation offering a noticeably more modern drivetrain. Porsche built over 213,000 examples of the 997 generation between 2004 and 2012, which means supply on the used market remains healthy and prices stay grounded. It delivers classic 911 styling, a naturally aspirated flat six, a more modern feel than a 996, and a smaller, more intimate driving experience than a 992. For the buyer who finds a brand new base 911 too large or too expensive, a clean 997.2 Carrera answers those objections. Never generalize all 997s as identical, so insist on a specialist inspection for the exact car. Analog charm wrapped in modern tech. Number 6. The Porsche 718 Boxster GTS 4.0. For the driver who wants modern Porsche usability but still wants to actually hear the engine, the 718 Boxster GTS 4.0 delivers an experience almost no new car can match. Roof down, the sound is not filtered through speakers. The engine sits close behind the cabin, and the mid-engine layout gives it an effortless sense of balance. It carries real technology, but it never feels dominated by it, which makes it excellent for weekend drives, mountain roads, and any owner who values sound and throttle response over pure straight-line numbers. Demand remains high, so this is not a cheap Porsche, but value was never only about the purchase price. It is the experience delivered every time you turn the key. 6 cylinders, modern shell, old soul. Number 5. The Porsche 718 Cayman GTS 4.0. If a buyer wants a relatively modern Porsche without giving up the naturally aspirated flat six, the 718 Cayman GTS 4.0 is one of the strongest used answers available. Modern safety, modern infotainment, a genuinely sharp chassis, and the 6-cylinder sound that many owners of the earlier turbocharged 4-cylinder 718 models find themselves missing. It is not necessarily cheap, but compared against the price of a new high-spec Porsche, a used example can make real financial sense, especially when it already carries expensive factory options. What makes it worth choosing over new comes down to a naturally aspirated 6. A modern chassis and interior, strong enthusiast demand, and a car that simply feels more emotional to drive than a base new model. Watch closely for evidence of track use, tyre condition, brake wear and clutch condition on manual cars before buying. Never buy the badge, buy the history. Number 4. The Porsche 981 Boxster S or GTS. The 981 Boxster S gives you the same formula as its Cayman sibling but adds something modern performance cars often forget to provide, a genuine sense of occasion at completely normal road speeds. Roof down, a naturally aspirated flat six sitting right behind you, excellent steering feel and a compact body that makes even an ordinary errand feel like an occasion. A used 981 Boxster S can beat a new roadster for the buyer who wants real sound, a manual gearbox, traditional Porsche engine character and open top driving without breaking a single speed limit. The GTS is the more desirable version, but do not dismiss a well-optioned S. Never buy the badge on the rear deck lid. Buy the best-maintained example your budget allows every single time. It feels special without feeling intimidating. Number 3. The Porsche 981 Cayman S. The 981 Cayman S stands as one of the most complete used Porsche sports cars ever built. It looks modern enough to never feel dated, carries a naturally aspirated flat six, and in the right specification, delivers an experience many buyers genuinely prefer to a brand new base sports car. The real magic of the 981 is that it feels special without ever feeling intimidating. Fast enough for daily use, compact enough for real roads, and balanced enough to make an average driver feel noticeably better behind the wheel. A manual example delivers a wonderfully traditional sports car experience, while a PDK example is brutally quick and effortless in traffic. Target a manual gearbox, sport chrono, PASM, sport exhaust, and a clean, unmodified history. Open top driving, closed wallet worries. Number 2. The Porsche 987.2 Boxster S. If you want the same mid-engine balance as our final pick but with open-air driving thrown in, the 987.2 Boxster S deserves serious consideration. The Boxster has long been one of the best bargains in Porsche ownership precisely because some buyers still dismiss it as the entry-level car. A properly sorted Boxster S delivers a naturally aspirated flat six, genuine mid-engine balance, a manual or PDK gearbox, a convertible roof, and a chassis that feels alive at completely normal road speeds. The advantage over buying new here is emotional as much as financial. A used naturally aspirated Boxster S can feel more mechanical and more engaging than a newer turbocharged four-cylinder model. Avoid neglected examples with tired roofs, water leaks, worn suspension, or unclear service records, because those problems compound quickly on this generation. Everything on this list leads to one car. Number 1. The Porsche 987.2 Cayman S. The 987.2 Cayman S is the strongest answer to one simple question. What used Porsche should you buy if you actually want to drive it? Built in the late 2000s and early 2010s, this generation delivers a compact mid-engine chassis, classic Porsche proportions, naturally aspirated flat six power, and a genuinely usable two-seat layout with luggage space at both ends of the car. The key reason it beats buying new comes down to one word: character. A modern Cayman is capable in every measurable way, but Porsche renamed the Boxster and Cayman line as the 718, starting with the 2016 model year, and those newer cars moved to turbocharged four-cylinder Boxer engines. The older 987.2 keeps the naturally aspirated flat six experience that enthusiasts specifically go looking for. Insist on strong service history, a clean PDK record if applicable, no coolant leaks, healthy suspension and engine mounts, proper tyre wear, and zero evidence of water ingress before you buy. The best version to chase is a manual Cayman S with sport chrono, PASM, sport seats, and untouched original bodywork. Find that car with the paperwork to back it up, and you are not settling for a used Porsche. You are getting more Porsche than the showroom would ever have sold you.